Hi viewers, I am M. Kumresh and working as a .NET developer in Spyro R&D. Now let's move on the project title. So content-based image retrieval using future extract from the Halftonic-based block truncation coding. In this project, based on the find out the similarity of the in this project. So based on in this project, retrieve the content based images, Halftonic based block truncation. Block truncation means nothing but, so we are divided into RGB colors. RGB means red, green, blues. So like that divide into the images. So and then go for the existing system. Algorithm of existing system is former scheme algorithm. Former scheme, in this scheme algorithm only does not find out the similarity of the in this images. So proposed system is CBAR algorithm. Using in this CBAR algorithm is find out the similarity of in this project. How to find out the similarity of the in this project means, you are going to split the images as a RGB colors and then combine that RGB colors, find out the vector values. Based on vector values, find out the similarity of the in this project. So drawbacks of the existing system is low complexity of the images, and then we can't find out the similarity of the images. So advantage of in this project proposed system is high complexity of images. We can find out the similarity of images, and then go for the architectural diagram. So in this architectural diagram, so first to split into the RGB colors and then ODBTC code encoding. In this ODBTC encoding, split into the CF and then BBF. BBF means color co-occurrence, BBF means bit code pattern features, and then find out the similarity of in this based on vector values, which one is the original images, like, and then go for the step of the algorithm is retrieve the RGB colors and then ODBTC encoding process, CCF and RCF extraction, future vector combination, similarity computational, and then retrieve the images from the database. So and then go for future future concept is going to we can change the image quality of the in this project. How it means, whatever it is, we can't do anything means we can't change the quality of images. So we are going to giving the original images and quality images also, and then go for the software requirements, and then operating system 8.1 8 and 8.1, front end Microsoft SQL Studio 2013, and coding language C# and backend SQL Server 2012. Hardware requirement processor Pentium dual core 2.0, and then hard disk 40 GB, mouse logistic, and then RAM 2 GB, and then keyboard 110 keys enhanced. So thank you.